What's up, guys? Balisong dude here. Got the Kraken clone just as last time, and I am flipping. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to the 4 people who subscribed to me, to my channel, and yeah, and the comments in the last video. That was awesome. And also, Balisong Flipping commented on my video, which was awesome. So, yeah. Can't wait until my Glo-Mod gets here, because I'm gonna do an unboxing for y'all and a review. So look forward to that, definitely. And yeah. Oops. No. There we go. Alright, there's the shadow again. I don't know why, I just like doing it in the shadow, because it's fun. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Sort of. I'll try that again. Oh wait, it went black. There we go. We'll try that again. Dang it. Okay, I'm just gonna call it good. That's... yeah. Sorry about that. Just spaced out and didn't know what I was gonna do there. Okay, well, like I said, I'm getting the Glo-Mod. I'm gonna do a review on it. And yeah, I'm gonna try to give you guys videos every day, but keep the content going. So yeah, see you in the next one. Peace out.